Howdy there guys, this is Old Main Productions. I'm here at one of my classics, Morgan Station Road, and we've got ourselves a nice Q372 at the tunnel. This one might have an oversized load, so I'm probably going to stay a little further back than normal. I don't know if it actually has one or not, but things have been weird today. This Q372 worked in Brunswick, which that's not normal. And also today, I got to meet Jake Scoots13.
Hey guys.
He's always seemed to watch my channel. I definitely enjoyed talking to him. And here it is.
Q372-26.
Yep. This should be a long one. Almost 14,000 feet.
3266 as the leader.
Yep. And I think the other cool thing about this one, I'll save it till after it passes.
Ooh, GP38?
Yeah. Coastline.
Oh yeah.
New York Central.
Oh. Is that for maintenance of what? Oh, maintenance of way equipment. Holy crap. This is might have been picked up in Brunswick.
Yep. New York Central. That's mainly old Conrail, but yeah. Something corrosive and nasty. Yep, auto parts boxcar. Empty tanker, loaded tanker, empty tanker. Lots of empties.
Yeah. One of the tank cars up there had a gauge on it.
Lots of corrosive stuff too.
Yeah.
B&O, see it, chassis. Southern Pacific marking. Yep, all these are empty except for that guy.
Another 89 foot. 3267.
It's called Eddie. That was just the middle of the train.
Yeah, I know. At least another 100 cars. At least.
Yeah, between 70 and 100, yeah. Hot asphalt.
Intermodal?
Intermodal weld.
Maybe you picked that up in Brunswick too.
Yeah. Coal hoppers. More asphalt boxcar. still more coming.
Yeah. This is probably one of the best ones I've seen.
Yeah, now it's on its brakes for,
Sykesville.
Yep.
You can tell he was slowing down.
Yeah, this train's 14,000 feet almost, so that's well over, that's almost 3 miles.
Yeah, it's like 2 3/4.
This train's probably using about 42 gallons of diesel per mile.
This engines have like 3,500 gallons.
There's the end. Yeah, there's no way this one's gonna stop on any of the sidings on the old main.
No way.
But there it goes, guys. That one had a little bit of everything. Lots of fallen flags, maintenance away, 89-foot boxcars, you name it. Only thing missing is military equipment, but hey, it was still really dang cool, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, everyone.